Okay, I'm behind a 50-pound Dexter sack dryer, and as you can see, my belt's real loose. And at first I thought I needed to replace my belt, but it's actually not the belt. It's the tension on this wheel has broken. And as you can see, my spring, it just popped apart. So it's supposed to look like that. If you can see that, there's a little chain that holds the spring tight over to a little piece of metal. So I'm just gonna replace that spring. So I ordered a new spring, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay, as you can see, I got my new spring on there, so I'm getting good. Make sure that's on there. Getting good tension on my wheel. So now it's time to put this belt back on. I'll start right here. Let's see. We'll put it on the smaller wheel first. Alright, now I'm just going to kind of loop it over the side and spin it. Alright, you see now we've got good tension, and that's all you do.